Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel where I break down the fundamentals of my hair care. If you're new to this channel guys, my name is Dina and over here we talk about everything relaxed hair care girl. So if that's something that you're interested in, by all means do consider sticking around, liking and subscribing if you feel like it. If this is giving you value for your time, then please hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video with someone who you think can benefit from it. Today's video guys, it's all about what I have been doing in order to minimize my shedding. Now, if you have been on my hair journey with me from the time I started my YouTube channel, I think I would have spoken about my shedding in maybe 1 or 2 videos. I actually did a long video. It's no longer available for viewing because of quality issues, but I would have done a video highlighting week by week how much hair I lose when I wash my hair. And guys, it was a lot of hair. For some of you said that you lost more. Some of you said that it was a lot. Some of you said that you lose the same amount of hair. No matter how much I tried to convince myself that it wasn't a lot, that it was acceptable, I think I knew deep down that it was definitely a lot of hair. So I think I'm gonna insert some clips just so you can see how much hair I was actually losing almost on a week-to-week basis, and it was just really worrying for me. So in a previous video as well, I did highlight that I have been getting that thing under control, right? Getting my shedding under control because we want that. We didn't want that for 2022 and we certainly don't want that going into 2023. So of course, hair loss can be due to many factors. It can be health related, and if you don't know by now, I am anemic. I do suffer with anemia, but I think for the last few months my anemia has been under control. Other times it can be due to possibly the products that you use on your hair or on your scalp, and of course other times it's down to pure manipulation. How much are you manipulating your hair, and that can contribute to how much hair is coming out of your head as well, right? So it's mainly a mixture of shedding and breakage that I was experiencing. It wasn't pure shedding, it was a mixture of both. And so I really wanted to see what I can do to get that under control. And I think it just came as like I don't want to say a surprise, but one day I just decided to do something and I kept doing it, and the results, well, I think you would have seen from the thumbnail, the results, girl. So I'm here to share with you what that miracle product or products are that I've been using in order to control my shedding and my breakage. So I've been using this blend of oils, guys, and these oils have really just transformed my hair. I've been using these oils as hot oil treatments. I've been using them to put in my deep conditioners, and at times I also use these oils on my scalp. So these are like all round oils that just are they can't leave my hair regimen now because I've been seeing results. Now, maybe it could be health-wise as well, that I'm eating better, that I'm drinking more water as well, but girl, I'm attributing all of this success to these oils. So let's just get into the blend of oils that I've been using. And yes, these oils were blended by me. Ain't nothing big. From the time I start mentioning these oils, you're gonna be like, hey, I have this. Oh, I know I could get this. Let me try it out. I can go online and I can find all of the benefits for these oils, but I don't want to do that because you can do that as well. And what I find is that sometimes you go online, you find all these benefits, you come and you share them, and then you're using them on your hair and you're expecting those benefits, but you don't get them. Yeah, we ain't about that. I'm just going to tell you my experience with these oils, and you will then determine whether or not you want to try them out based on my experience, right? Bear in mind, my experience with these oils are going to be completely different to your experience with these oils. It can match up, or it can be like, Adina, what are you talking about? These don't work for me, right? But sometimes you got to try things out, right? So my avocado oil is just exceptional. I use avocado oil for everything. I use it on my scalp. I use it in my deep conditioners. I use it to moisturize and seal. Like if my hair just looks dry and dull, I put on a bit of avocado oil and it's like my hair just comes back to life. Now the properties within avocado oil, from what I've read, they're similar to olive oil, but olive oil cannot compare to my avocado oil. For me, olive oil leaves my hair very, 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 very dry. It goes on good, but then in about 5 or 10 minutes, my hair looks absolutely dry and it feels dry as well. Avocado oil, no, I don't get that from it. There's this smooth and buttery feeling that I get whenever I apply my avocado oil, and I think that's why it works so well when I add it to deep conditioners as well, because that smooth and buttery feel comes out on my hair once I wash out the deep conditioner. So I use that as the base. That is the oil that I put in the most of. Then I follow up with coconut oil. Now I know a lot of us have issues with coconut oil, and I have my issues with coconut oil as well, but what I found is that once coconut oil is being washed out of my hair, perfect, absolutely perfect. So when I use it in my deep conditioners, when I use it as hot oil treatments, it works wonders in my hair. And from all of my research as well, I think that's the most appropriate way to utilize coconut oil. That has been working for me when I mix or blend my avocado oil and my coconut oil together and use those as treatment oils, followed by a little dash of rosemary essential oil. Now, rosemary essential oil has been making it's been making its rounds across social media. It's like the in oil when it comes to hair growth and hair restoration and prevention of hair loss. So I don't know if it's because I would have dropped in a little, 2 or 3 drops or 6 or 10 drops of rosemary oil into my oil blend, why that has really contributed to my hair not coming out of my head as much. I don't know, but these 3 blend of oils, guys, has been giving me extremely amazing results, to the point that when I do wash my hair, every time when I see the hair that I lose, I'm so taken aback. I am so surprised. It just works. It really just works. They're like miracle oils to my hair, and I kind of don't want the little blend that I have to finish because I'm like, I didn't measure it. When you're just experimenting, I didn't measure it, guys, so I don't even know if the next time that I use it, like, the blend is gonna be as good. But I think going forward, I really have to play out with my measurements just to make sure that I get the right amount of oils. And yes, this is what I use on my hair every week, whether it is that I'm washing or I'm doing a treatment. Every single week, these blend of oils hit my hair and they hit my scalp. And I wanted to share these with you in case you have been suffering with excessive breakage and excessive shedding. This is what has been working for me. And of course, I've been doing very little to my hair as well. So in terms of manipulation, guys, I ain't doing much to my hair at all. I just want this year to be simple and clean for me hair wise. I'm gonna come and I'm gonna share with you an updated hair regimen so that you can know what my plans are going into 2023. Simple, very simple. And I don't think I'm gonna be experimenting with a host of different products either. All right, guys, so I hope this video was really helpful for you. I'll leave the links below of where you can get some of these oils, but I think you can just go onto Amazon, to be honest. You can just head on to Amazon and search some of these oils and you'll find them. I'm not sure if it has anything to do with the brand of oils that I'm using either, but see if these work for you. Like, I really want you to try it out. Start off with just a little bit and see if it really works for you. Add it into your deep conditioner. If you're doing hot oil treatments, add it, do your hot oil treatments before you actually wash your hair and see if it works, because it's literally proven for me. I've tried it time and time again and the results are always the same. So let me know down below if you'll be trying it, if you've tried these oils already, and how they worked for you. All right, so until next time, guys, take care. Thank you for watching.